Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Kraken Fang in Blade Ball. Enter a Kraken raid with a coordinated team and clear ads quickly. Focus on breaking the tentacle weak points to trigger the drop window. Use high single target damage and items that boost rare loot. Communicate with teammates to rotate aggro and save special attacks for the boss phase. Track who holds the loot modifier for best results. Approach the Kraken by assigning roles before the fight starts to minimize confusion. Tanks should hold aggro, while DPS clear tentacles on call to prevent mechanic overlap. Time burst rotations for the boss vulnerability phase when tentacles are down to spike damage. Healers can serve big cooldowns until that window and use small heals to preserve mana. Keep communication clear and call out when the Fang drop window is active so everyone focuses fire. Maximize your chances by preparing loot modifiers and consumables before entering the raid. Coordinate with repeat partners so one player holds the best drop bonus and rotates it between runs. Prioritize consistent execution over risky tactics to maintain high clear rates across attempts. Keep a small stash of revive items and repair gear to reduce downtime between runs. Log your runs to identify patterns that lead to the successful Fang drop.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.